the place that I line it up again is always going to be at my junction. You know, theoretically, if I've done my calculations correctly, when I spread these leaves, they'll be shaped like this. And when I spread this leaf, it should be down here. So the place that I'm looking to line it up with my drawing is right where those two split. So I want to put that carefully without burning myself right about there. Okay. So that tells me that I need, oh, look at that. About that much material.
Now, at some point in time, you're doing all these welds together and stuff. Is there any point that you can do too many, or it can get to where? Huh?
Ungainly?
Well, yeah, or get to the point where you can't stick them and spread them and without it splitting. I mean, you're gonna no.
I don't think so. Maybe
Eventually, it will melt together.
Did you see the octopus last night?
Yeah.
I haven't seen the octopus yet. Where is it?